YouTube Nation, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to share with you a way that you can actually get cashbacks on your online purchases. So whether it's makeup, whether it's travel, whether it's anything on eBay, Amazon, Walmart, Macy's, Expedia, you can earn cashbacks basically in almost every store that you can think of. Alright, so what am I talking about? I'm talking about Rakuten. And Rakuten, basically, someone shared this with me in about December, and I got $10 bonus for signing up, and I've been using it since shopping, and those little cashbacks are adding up because I'm expecting my first if you check it, big fat check history, that's what they call it. I'm gonna get $10.83 right here to my PayPal on the 9th. Alright, and I currently have $83 pending to get again. Alright, so how this works is basically you would shop as normal, like you would regularly shop on eBay and Amazon, or you could come to the Rakuten website and click them, and you will automatically be activated for that discount. Alright, so if I click shop now on eBay, like I just click shop now right here, it say congratulations, you activated your 2% cashback. Also, I would advise you to download that Rakuten Google Chrome extension right here, just in case you don't want to go through the Rakuten to go to the websites that you want to go to. It will automatically pop up right here, and it will remind you right here to activate your cashback. Alright, so that's pretty much what the app does, the Chrome extension does. Another thing that you can do as well is you can search for specific products. So let's say I'm searching for an AirPod right here. You can basically search for the items and see which website will be giving you the best cashback. So we have $3.52 here, $1, and we have a website here that you get $7.95 cashback, which is pretty awesome. So that would be like saving, like what you'll be saving. Alright, so that's really cool. You can use it to search for items as well and see which website offers the best cashback. So if you're buying items, you can get up to 10% cashback, in some cases 20. It all depends. Alright, it varies and it changes. So you can definitely use this. And also, if you sign up with the link I'll be putting in the description, once you sign up with that link, you will get a $10 bonus on your first fat check. Alright, so once you do your first purchase, just like you were doing any normal purchase, they will start initializing that check, so you get that. Alright, and another thing that is awesome about this, if you refer someone, you can earn $25 as well. So not only do you get cashback just for shopping, for every friend that you refer and they spend their first they do their first sale, their first purchase, you will get $25 and they will still get that $10. Alright, so yeah, this is pretty cool and a nice way to, so you can just share this with anyone that you knows that does online shopping, and yeah, you can earn some extra monies. Alright, so it's not a lot when you say 6%, but if you're buying something for $100, you get like $6. But at the end of the day, it's like you're getting a discount on the item, and you won't expect the check that you'll be getting as well. So I'm just sharing this because it's been working for me. As you can see, my earnings is now $11.36, and I currently have some pending because I've recently purchased some stuff. Alright, so you can just share this with your friends, family, and whoever you know does online purchases a lot, and help them to save some money. Alright, oh, and another thing is, on some websites it will give you discount coupons as well as apply that discount. So let's say the item is for $20, you're already getting your 6% or your 10% cashback, and on addition to that, it gives you a coupon to reduce the cost of the item to like $2 less or stuff like that. So really cool app. You can definitely try this out, and it's totally free. I'll leave a link in the description. So remember to share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when I come out with new videos. Alright?